Hello fellow gardening enthusiasts. Welcome back to Gardening Glory. Today, we are delighted to share an in-depth guide on how to grow and care for the magnificent Peruvian apple cactus, also known as Cereus Peruvianus. Prepare to be amazed as we explore the secrets to cultivating this stunning cactus successfully. But before we start with the practical steps, let's take a moment to appreciate the beauty and uniqueness of the Peruvian apple cactus. Indigenous to South America, this cactus species belongs to the Cactaceae family and is renowned for its ribbed, columnar structure, reaching heights of up to 15 feet in its natural habitat. Its captivating white flowers, which bloom during summer nights, are a sight to behold, and its delicious apple-like fruits are a delightful treat for the lucky gardener. Now, let us look at the detailed steps for growing and caring for a Peruvian cactus in your garden. Step 1. Selecting the right location. First things first, let's find the perfect location for your Peruvian apple cactus. These cacti thrive in full sunlight, so a south-facing or west-facing window with ample sunlight is ideal for indoor cultivation. If you prefer outdoor planting, make sure to choose a spot that receives at least 4 to 6 hours of direct sunlight each day. Also, consider providing some afternoon shade during intense summer days to prevent sunburn. Step 2. Potting mix and repotting. Next up, let's discuss the best potting mix for your Peruvian apple cactus. To ensure good drainage, opt for a well-draining cactus or succulent mix. You can either purchase a pre-made mix from your local garden center or create your own by combining regular potting soil with coarse sand and perlite. Remember, proper drainage is essential to avoid waterlogged roots. When it comes to repotting, choose a slightly larger pot to accommodate the cactus's growth. Younger cacti may need repotting every 2 years, while more mature ones can be repotted every 3 to 4 years. Repot during the active growing season in spring or early summer to promote successful root establishment. Step 3. Watering and humidity. Watering is a crucial aspect of Peruvian apple cactus care. Strike a balance between providing adequate moisture and avoiding overwatering. During the growing season, spring and summer, water your cactus when the top inch of the soil feels dry. Generally, watering once every 2 to 3 weeks is sufficient. In contrast, reduce watering during the winter months when the cactus is in its dormant phase. Additionally, keep in mind that this cactus thrives in low humidity environments. As such, there's no need to miss the plant or provide any extra humidity. Aim to replicate its native arid conditions for the best results. Step 4. Fertilizing. To keep your Peruvian apple cactus healthy and vibrant, feed it with a balanced, water-soluble fertilizer. During the active growing season, apply the fertilizer at half strength, once a month. Avoid fertilizing during the winter months when the cactus is resting. Over-fertilizing can lead to nutrient imbalances, so remember, a little goes a long way with cacti. Step 5. Temperature and protection. Peruvian apple cacti prefer warm temperatures, ideally ranging from 60 degrees to 80 degrees. Protect your cactus from cold drafts and sudden temperature drops, as temperatures below 50 degrees can be harmful. If you're growing your cactus outdoors and expect a cold snap, consider bringing it indoors or providing some frost protection. Step 6. Pruning and maintenance. As your Peruvian apple cactus grows, some light pruning may be necessary to maintain its shape and health. Trim any dead or damaged branches using clean, sharp pruning shears. Remember to wear protective gloves to avoid getting pricked by the cactus's spines. Pruning can be done throughout the year as needed. Keep an eye out for common cactus pests like mealybugs or spider mites. If you spot any problems, take action promptly to prevent further damage. Step 7. Propagation. Interested in propagating your Peruvian apple cactus? You can do so by taking stem cuttings. Make clean cuts using a sharp knife or scissors, and allow the cut ends to dry and callus for a few days. Afterward, plant the cuttings in a well-draining cactus mix, and keep the soil lightly moist until new roots develop. This way, you will keep multiplying your cactus family. You're now equipped with the knowledge you need to grow and care for your very own Peruvian apple cactus. Remember, patience and a little tender loving care go a long way in cultivating these magnificent plants. If you have any questions or want to share your experiences, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more exciting gardening content. Happy growing, and we'll see you in the next video.